Hello! So the first step is to use concealer, and I use this, put this under my eyes, on my nose, on the ridge, on my forehead and on my chin, and I blend it out with a fluffy brush. Sometimes I use a beauty blender, sometimes I use a brush. So I just make sure that it goes into the skin and it blends in, and I use a lighter colour than my actual skin tone because that will help bring out my cheekbones a lot, and since I don't really do contouring, that's kind of a non-contouring thing that I do that contours my face basically. So yeah, concealed some spots that I didn't want to show, and then I used this H&M face palette, which is really cheap, but it works. So, and then I used the blush in it because I'm going to be doing my blush, and I put that on my apples on my cheeks and kind of above as well. And then I used the highlighter and I put that on the ridge of my nose. I wetted it before as well, just so you know, just to kind of make it, to bring it out. And I put it on the ridge of my nose where I highlighted as well, I brightened. And then I did my Cupid's bow. And then I also use this angled brush instead of my fingers because I have long nails and it won't really work. And I use this angled brush to do my inner corners. And my brow bone as well. You're probably wondering where the cheekbone highlighter is. Well, I use this glitter from Lush, and I dust it on my hand. And then I apply it to the face. Added some highlighter just to make it pop a bit more, and then I do my brows with NYX brow mascara, tinted brow mascara, and I prefer this to brow pencil because it's a bit more subtle, and I just brush this through my eyebrows. So you can't really see it on camera, it looks okay I guess, and then I do my eyeshadow primer, which just kind of brings out your eyeshadow, it makes it more pigmented and it makes it last longer, and I put that all over my eyelid with the applicator. And then I just buff it in with my finger. So now I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow. Not this one. I'm doing this one. Awkward. And I'm using this colour, like the nude one, to set the primer and just kind of let it be more matte. So I'm dusting off my brush at the moment because it's kind of got some browny pigments on it. Now I'll be using this palette finally. So I'm taking a colour and putting it in my crease, which is there. It's like a browny kind of sandy colour. So apologies, all of my footage is deleted of my eyeshadow. Then I use like a red colour and I put it like on the edge. And then at the very middle I use like a shiny red colour, which I wet as well. I wet the brush and then I put that at the very, near the crease, just to make like a shiny pop. Then, since I don't have an eyeliner, I use like a brown eyeshadow and I put that under my eyes, just like, not entirely, but just a little bit, just under my waterline. And then I use that colour and I use the angled brush. And then finally I do mascara. I love this mascara, by the way, it's really good. It's the Barry M mascara, and I put that on my eyelids. I bumped a bit of the mascara onto my eyelid. Whoops. So I'm like brushing that off with my finger, which I wetted with some water. And it's less visible now, which is fine for me. So as you can see, it's just made my eyes pop a little bit. And then I use my brow mascara, the one by NYX, and I put it underneath on my lower lash line, or my lower lashes. I don't know why it went purple there, by the way. So that's how it looks. Then I'm doing my lips, and I'm using a lip scrub to exfoliate my lips, and it's by Lush, and it's Mint Tulips, which is my favourite one because it tastes like mint. And I had a bit of a malfunction with my nails there, sorry about that. Gross. They were clean, by the way, before. It's not like I'm putting things dirty from under my nails. And then I rub it on my lips. And so now finally I'm using some lipstick. This is the Soap & Glory lipstick. I forgot which shade it was, but it's a great shade. And I put it all over my lips, obviously, as you do with lipstick. And this is a finished look. So it's quite glamorous. I don't usually go out like this, but I really like it. Thank you.